Hey guys, it's Nick from GMInsideNews.com. I'm inside our 2012 Chevrolet Camaro SS convertible tester. Going to do a quick look at the interior since that's where the lion's share of the changes for this car have been for the 2012 model year. As you can see, I have the Inferno orange pack, obviously. So I've got the orange leather seats, orange stitching, orange plastic materials on the dash and door panel, and overall pretty sharp, and that's not new for 12. That's been on the Camaro since day one, the 5th gen. The biggest change on the interior is the fairly controversial steering wheel. Ironically, it's the same steering wheel in the Cruise and Volt. However, they have embedded the SS logo at the bottom, which is kind of tasteful, and it's got the orange stitching. I know a lot of people, particularly Camaro enthusiasts, do not like this steering wheel. They like the old one, the one that looked very classic and kind of nostalgic. I've got to say, after driving this car with it, I much prefer the new one. It's smaller, it's not near as awkward. I mean, when you're in the heat of the moment and driving this car as it's capable of, I much prefer this one. It's boring looking and it's not as cool, but it's much more functional, and I do appreciate that. The gauge cluster has a new font. Another thing that I've appreciated very much on this 2012 car. It's much easier to read. It's not near as, I don't know, I found the other one difficult to read, specifically the speedometer, and the new one's not bad at all. The other change is the leather padding here on the dash. It breaks up that hard plastic look, and especially with the orange stitching. Again, nice touch. Really makes the Camaro interior a little, mostly acceptable. I mean, it's still got its issues, this interior does. However, the 2012 changes have helped quite a bit. So I'm fairly impressed with it. I also like the new silver trim around the gauge, or not the gauges, the vents. And other than that, not a whole lot has changed in this. The armrest does feel a little more padded as well, so that was another nice touch. Overall, some nice changes they made. Could have been a little more extensive maybe, but overall, it's pretty acceptable interior now. So that's the 2012 Camaro.